Welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. For today's recipe, I'm going to share with you two casserole recipes that we all enjoy every Thanksgiving, the sweet potato casserole and the green bean casserole. So without further ado, let's get started. The first recipe is for the sweet potato casserole. So for that, you're going to need 3 sweet potatoes that's roasted or boiled, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of butter that's softened, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And for the topping, you're going to need 3/4 cup of chopped pecans, 2 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 cup of marshmallows. Start by making the topping. So for that, in a bowl, add in the pecans, the flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and melted butter. Mix this till everything is well combined. Once everything is combined, set this aside. Now I got here 3 sweet potatoes that I roasted in the oven and peeled the skin off. You can also boil the potatoes if you like. To the sweet potatoes, add in the butter, the sugar, milk, egg, vanilla, salt, and pepper. Use a hand mixer or a stand mixer and beat till everything is combined and smooth. Now take a 8x8 or a 9x9 square baking dish and spray with nonstick spray. Spread the nonstick oil in the pan. And add the sweet potato mixture into the baking dish. And make sure to smooth out the top. Next, add in the pecan topping and spread evenly. Finally, top with the marshmallows. Now bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And this sweet potato casserole is now ready to enjoy. Now let's make the green bean casserole. For the green bean casserole, you're going to need 1 pound of green beans that's frozen or fresh, 8 ounces of baby mushrooms that's sliced, 1 yellow onion that's diced, 3 garlic cloves that's minced, 1/4 cup of flour, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 6 ounces of French fried onion that's divided, 1/2 tablespoon of butter, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Start by blanching the green beans. So in a saucepan of boiling water, add in the green beans and boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, remove the beans from the water and rinse it in cold water and set it aside. Now pour oil to a pan on medium heat. Add in the onion and garlic and saute till the onions become translucent. And add in the mushrooms and saute till the mushrooms are cooked. When the mushrooms are cooked, add in the flour and mix till the flour is well coated in with the onion and the mushroom. Pour in the milk and give it a stir. Then pour in the heavy cream and stir again. Once the sauce starts simmering, Add in the butter and stir till the butter is melted and bring to a boil. Once boiled, turn off the heat and season with salt and pepper. To assemble, add the green beans into a 13 x 9-inch baking dish and spread it out. Pour the mushroom sauce over the green beans and top with half of the French fried onions. Cover and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. Then add the rest of the French fried onions and bake uncovered for about 5 more minutes. The green bean casserole is now ready to serve. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!